Got a couple emails from a few people saying they're having a hard time getting the motor shaft out of here, getting it off. What you want to do is when the shaft's coming through here, you want to sand that all down, right down to this, right down here to the nut here, and then pour some oil in here. Make sure there's no dirt on the shaft, otherwise it will get stuck. And some people wonder why do these start to make noise and start going out of balance? Well, a lot of times it's just that these here get all dirty. That's from not being serviced, and that can throw off the balance. The other problem you have is this here. That's a balancing pin here. If that falls off, this goes out of balance. Next thing you know, this thing's wobbling so bad it just breaks up. Those are the reasons. Anyway, we have all these blower wheels in stock. Come visit us. We have a link down here just below. Look below here and you'll see the link.